Hello guys, I am Vrinda and welcome for the very first time to my YouTube channel. So finally I have created my YouTube channel after a very long thinking process. Like I was very confused, should I start it or not, because YouTube channel is just not fun, it's commitment. So I had a very long thinking process. Sometimes I was a bit nervous, sometimes I was excited about it, sometimes I thought I should do some sort of proper planning and then I should start my channel, and sometimes I thought I just should kickstart it with whatever content I have in my mind. So without any wasting time further, I want to tell you that I will be loading you people, showering you people with lots and lots of amazing content related to my genre, that is lifestyle and makeup. So guys, I'll help you out, I'll guide you, I'll try to sort out all the queries which you have, I'll show you different makeup looks and everything related to my genre. So without any wasting time, let's get started with my channel. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit on the bell icon, and also do like this video and all other videos which are on their way, and share it also if you like them. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye and stay tuned.